Welcome to NorthStar. In competing as a subcontractor on a military contract, Aerosub Inc. has developed a new product for spacecraft that includes the manufacturing of a complex part. Management believes there is a good opportunity for its technical force to learn and improve as they become accustomed to the production process. Accordingly, the management estimates an 80% learning curve would apply to this unit. The overall contract will call for supplying 8 units. Remember, learning curve is 80% and it is 8 units. Production of the first unit requires 10,000 direct labor hours. The estimated total direct labor hours required to produce the 7 additional units would be 7 additional units. This point is very important. Let's write the format first. Cumulative units. Cumulative units 1, 2, 4 and 8. So from 1 to 8 the difference is going to be 7 additional units. Alright. So how much is the labor hours? Is it hours or cost? If it is cost, you need to write labor cost. If it is hours, you need to write labor hours per unit. And here cumulative labor hours. So how much is the labor hours per unit? First one is 10,000 hours. Now take up calculator. How much is the learning curve? 80%. So take up calculator and type in calculator 0.8 into 0.8 into 10,000 equals, you get 8,000. Press equals again, you get 6,400. Press equals again, you get 5,120. We need to know how much is the incremental hours required for making how many units? 7 units. Means 1 to directly 8 when you go, the incremental is going to be 7 units. So how much is the cumulative hours for 1 unit? 10,000. And how much will be the cumulative hours for 8 units? It will be 5,120 multiplied by 8. So it is 40,960 hours cumulatively. Now the question is, how much is incremental additional hours for making 7 units? Will be 40,960 minus 10,000 hours, which will be 30,960 hours incremental for making how many additional units? From 1 to additional 7 more units. So 1 to directly 8 it will go. So the correct answer is option A, 30,960 hours. Thank you.